This Mickey Mouse setup. Is the idiot who did this. Don't shock me. Ooh. What do we have here? Water heater off mode. It's time to remove. I hear things. The beast is brewing. Does this touch? Yeah. More than 6 inches from the top. Clean that up. Mickey Mouse operation here. Water heater is off. Basically, navigating the home screen. EcoNet, current operating mode, temperature adjust, settings button stats. Did you go get her?
No, then she takes off the other way after I'm calling her.
Yeah. She doesn't get out enough.
Yeah. I'm not the one.
Basic. Mode. Mode. Oh yeah, let's get that risk of scalding going. I demand energy saver mode. Factory set mode for shipping. This mode optimizes heat pump and electric heat. That results in low power consumption, high recovery. Ooh, I hear somethings. High demand. This mode provides the highest recovery while still providing good energy savings. Electric. This mode will heat with the electric resistance elements. This mode should only be used during filter and condensate drain maintenance periods. This mode will result in maximum power consumption. Vacation mode. Temperature. Basic. Whoa, what's going on here? Basic water heater operation. I'll be dipped. I'll be dipped. Care and cleaning of water heater. Care and cleaning before you call for service. Troubleshooting alarms. Cavity insertions and instructions. Following instructions. Okay. Alright, I guess this is where we just dick around with it. Vacation mode. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. She's quiet. She is quiet. some water. Alright. Settings. Fahrenheit. Screen adjustment. Econet. Status. Sensors. Tank temp. Lower tank temp. Ambient temperature. It's kicking out some cold. Suction temperature. Evaporative temperature. Discharge temperature. Service. Oh, there we are. Electric mode. All my valves be open. My pressure at 90 psi. My mana block that leaks. Freaking awesome. This intersection leaks. Heat pump mode. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on now. Come on now. Temperature adjustment. Settings. Heat pump mode. Super quiet. And doesn't do a thing. Okay. Okay.